Hi friends, very good morning all of you. How are you doing? So I have around 1000 contacts approx in my mobile phone, and yesterday in WhatsApp 90% of the statuses is same photo. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, University Grants Commission, recognition of this chartered accountancy course and all. That means it is equivalent to post graduation, and if you complete CA Inter, it will be treated as equal to BCom. All this stuff is going on. And night, one student asked me one question. Okay, very funny question. Sir, should I be happy or should I be sad? So, is it that CA qualification is just like post graduation? Isn't it above? Then I was thinking of, oh, a sentence can be understood in any way. So one student is excited and saying, Pavan sir, I don't need to do BCom now. I am getting BCom 1+1 combo mein de rahe ICI. So do ICI PG free. Is it like that? And another student is saying, is chartered accountancy just like PG? I thought it is far above PG. So then I have decided I have to give some clarity on this to you before you spoil my mind with your understanding. Okay, so I'll tell you what is my understanding about this. Point number one, open ICI website, thoroughly surf everywhere. You will not get anything about this. In 2017, ICI, requested this UGC, Ministry of some education, or I don't know, some ministry, they have requested to consider chartered accountancy course equivalent to PG. This happened in 2017, and this proposal is there for the last 10-12 years. This proposal is there for the last 10-12 years. I qualified CA in 2006. Even that time this discussion is there, whether CA is equal to PG or above PG, less than PG. All this stuff is there that time also. Now my point is, what is the validity of this news? Point number one, it is 100% valid because of two reasons. One, we have this official gazette I am going to show you, and also ICI has given this in their Twitter handle with a pinned tweet. So they have clearly mentioned it. So let me show you the actual news, and then I'll tell you in what way people are going to get the benefit out of this. So if you are a student, what is the benefit? If you are a professional, what is the benefit? If you are looking for employment, what is the benefit? If you are looking for immigration, because now Australia, Canada, immigration is happening left and right everywhere. So many Indian cost accountants, chartered accountants are going abroad, settling down. Even my own article assistants are there in Australia and Canada now. Okay, so let us see what it is. Okay, so look here, this is the Twitter handle of ICI. They pinned this tweet. Let me read this out. The University Grants Commission, UGC India, has resolved that. What is the meaning of it? 550th meeting, they convened, they have constituted a committee to study whether this post-graduation level of recognition can be given to ICI. UGC have formed one committee on request of ICI. Then they have done this. All this is there here in the second page. Okay, now first read this, then we'll go back to that. So what they are saying here, so University Grants Commission, Government of India, to consider CA, CS, ICWA qualification equivalent to PG degree for appearing in UGC NET. That means, is it to write some examination? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Now a student will ask, Pavan sir, what if there is some government job or there is some public sector undertaking like IOC, ONGC, okay, these kind of companies or LIC, these kind of companies have given one notification. So and so manager post, salary 1 lakh per month. The eligibility is post graduation. Before this notification is issued on 15th March. We are doing, I am doing this video on 16th March. So before yesterday, that means day before yesterday, if you are applying for the job, you are ineligible. But today, because of this notification, chartered accountancy course, since it is equivalent to this PG, you are eligible to write that examination and get that job in that public sector undertakings or government, etc. That is one story. Second story, this recognition is not only for CA, it is for CA, CWA, CS, all the three put together. Okay, if you open CS Institute website or if you open their Twitter handle, they will say it is only because of CS this notification has come, otherwise remaining people cannot do it. If you open ICI will say we only did that. And CWA people, you know, they are sitting behind and looking at both ICSI and ICI. That is a different story. For fun, I am telling you, I am CWA member also. Okay. Anyway, so look here what they are saying. UGC has received requests from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Institute of Company Secretaries of India, Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Okay, you open website of one professional body, they will say we only did this. But UGC is saying, beta, no marketing perspective of, you know, the sweetened truth. We have received from all the three, being awarded by them, that is CA, CS and CWA respectively, equivalent to post-graduation degree. All the three professional bodies approached UGC and asked, Pedanna, please consider our qualification to be PG, no? Then Pedanna constituted one committee. What is that? To consider this, a committee was constituted by UGC. And then the commission in its 550th meeting held on 18th February 2021 considered the recommendation of the expert committee and resolved as under. Resolved means minutized, you know, properly held meeting, they have finalized something and it is resolved into a resolution. It is written into a resolution, minutes book. So CA, CS, ICWA qualification be considered equivalent to PG degree. Super. Now, one student asked me, Pavan sir, in social media also another thing is being circulated, that CA intermediate is equal to graduation. Is it so? Till today, no one gave that bumper offer. Till today, no one said that. Neither ICI said that, nor you know, this UGC said that. No one told that so far. That is a pure gossip, underline, full stop. So far, there is nothing about that. But ICAI requested for, you know, CA intermediate qualification to be equivalent to BCom. That is there for last so many years. Will a notification come regarding that? If the notification comes, that day you take it as final. Till now, it is only a gossip. It is not news. There is a huge difference between history and mythology, if you understand, okay? So this is not news. This is gossip. So everybody in social media, they are circulating. Now, let us understand what is the benefit of this. Situation 1. Imagine you are a chartered accountant, cost accountant or company secretary. You are a chartered accountant, cost accountant, company secretary. What is the meaning of this notification to you? Two situations. Situation 1, you want to go abroad and you want to settle. So like PR we call, no, permanent residency for Australia, PR for Canada. Okay, I have seen it enough in my personal life, and my cousins, my friends, they have gone through the process. They were settled in, they are settled now in some other countries also. I tell you, there is something called point-wise evaluation, okay? They will calculate your score. For example, if you are looking for Australia immigration, there is a score of 90. 90 is the maximum score, out of which you should get 65 and above for them to consider you for PR. There will be so many clauses. Federal clauses will be there, state clauses will be there. That means if there are 10 states in Australia, if you are applying through one clause, federal clause, you can go and settle in any state wherever you want. This is PR. This is not job. Please try to understand. When you get PR, permanent residency, you have to go there and you have to get a job. That job you can get in any of the states. But if you are applying through a particular state's portal, you'll have to live in that particular state for 3 years in a span of 5 years. And if I get, in one state I get PR, if in another state I am doing work, it is illegal. They'll not give you a job also. That is a different story. Okay, for example, South, if you look at the capital, Adelaide, South Australia and all, it is not actually that developed compared to, Sydney, New South Wales we call, okay, and then Brisbane, Perth, some other forward places are there. So normally, Indian chartered accountants or from any other country, if you are migrating, that country, Australian government want you to come to underdeveloped countries first, so that resources will be available for them. So everybody wants to go and settle in New South Wales. Already enough people are dying there. You understand? That is the reason if you apply for EOI, expression of interest, we call EOI. If you apply expression of interest from from this South Australia, Adelaide and all, you will get invitation within 3 months to 6 months. New South Wales, it will take 2 to 3 years because there are enough accountants there. They don't need. So what I'm saying is, based on my educational qualification, based on my score in IELTS or PTE, Pearson Test of English examination, they will give score to me. As far as that score is concerned for educational evaluation, your qualification, whether you are BCom, whether you are MCom, whether you are CA, whether you are CWA, the score what you are going to get is same. So, because CA qualification is considered to be a post-graduation, you will not get 1 point extra also in immigration for some countries. So, I do not know about all 200 countries in the world. No, I know about Australia and Canada. So, if you are a chartered accountant looking for immigration, there is no that exciting factor in this notification for you. Point number 2. As I told you earlier, if you are looking for cracking a government job, yes, I can tell you this is a gift to you. This is a boon. Because any government job you take, any government job, when the notification comes, they'll say graduation, any graduation or equivalent course, any post-graduation or equivalent course. So, in government job, if you look at, if they're asking for PG, the salary will be huge. So 10th base, 12th base jobs itself, they'll pay in, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 per month. Okay. So graduation based, PG based job, if you are looking for, that is a managerial post. That is a managerial post. So will that pay good amount of salary to you? The answer is yes. So if that is the case, you are looking for, cracking a job in public sector undertaking or any nationalized bank or any pure government or autonomous bodies, like these boards will be there, no? Spice board, COIR board, tobacco board, these kind of autonomous things, or you call it railways, departmental undertakings, post office, this kind of jobs and all. Yes, this notification will be a boon for you. You can happily apply now. You can happily apply now. Previously what happened, you are overqualified, but you do not meet the eligibility criteria there. Pawan sir, I am a chartered accountant, I want to apply to this job. You cannot. That means you are having a bigger qualification but not eligible. Now this notification will help you in that. Second thing is, consider a person like me, okay, a pure academician and want to get more and more academic qualifications. So even I was thinking of doing a PhD in finance after doing my post-graduation diploma, after completing my chartered accountancy, cost accountancy. Even I was looking for doing some PhD. Even today it is there in the back of my mind. Will I do that? I don't know. But is it there in the mind? The answer is yes. So if you know the process, after this graduation, you need to do post-graduation. After BCom, you need to do MCom. After that MPhil, after that PhD. This is the path, okay? But if you want to do PhD, again, there is no exciting news in this particular notification to you, because even before this notification came out also, many universities in India, including MG University, Bharatiya University, Madras University, up to IIMs, they have already recognized chartered accountancy course to be eligible for doing PhD directly without doing PG. So that means if you are a chartered accountant, if you have qualified CA final examination, and if you are a member of ICAI, you don't need to do BCom, you don't need to do MCom, you don't need to do PhD, straight you can apply for, you don't need to do MPhil, straight you can apply for PhD. That is already there. So if you are academician, there is no excitement in this for you. You understand? And Pawan sir, what if I am a student? All these 1,000 students uploading their, this pics and all in social media and all. Honestly, I'll tell you one thing. This notification is of no use for you actually. So don't get excited. Your hormonal, these things are pumping up and you are like cutting your body and the blood is coming out. Jai ICAI, Jindabad ICAI. Even I love ICAI, okay? Having said that, I tell you, what is the use of this notification for you? Tell me. Imagine, if you are doing CA, if you qualify, BCom is not required. If you qualify CA, BCom is not required. But the problem comes when a student joins CA, And then after reading 2 years, 3 years of CA intermediate, they will understand contingency definition. Contingent event is an event, the ultimate outcome of which depends on certain uncertain future event which is not in the control of. So after writing CA intermediate 2 years, then you realize, if you are that category, I am telling you one thing. This benefits, this notification benefits if you are a CA, if you are a CWA, if you are a CS, if you are a student who is doing the course, the value of this is nothing for you, because this is future event for you. When you become CA, that day this will be useful for you. So I tell you, so many students are asking, Pawan sir, I don't need to do BCom now. Are you kidding me? If you don't do BCom, do you think president of ICI will come to your house and give BCom certificate? No. I am speaking little sarcastic, I know, but having said that, you shut your mouth and do your BCom. That's all. Why? Because at one point of time, if you want to give up on CA and if you want to do some MBA or MCom in a regular college, you will not be able to do that if you cannot clear BCom. This notification is useful when you become a chartered accountant. Now that, graduation equivalency notification has not yet come. CA intermediate is equal to BCom. Nowhere they stated. In social media, 1,000 people are circulating all these things. I'm sorry to say, all of them are only gossips. I'm not using the word fake because I do not want to fight with anyone. I'm saying it is a gossip. Gossip is a beautiful dash. Okay, so do not fall into any trap. You joined chartered accountancy. Yesterday you were a slave. Today you are a slave. Tomorrow also you will be a slave. That's all. So sit properly and study. If you are doing BCom, simultaneously do BCom also. One student yesterday from Bangalore, one guy texted me, okay, Pawan sir, shall I drop BCom? I'm like, what? So he cleared first year, second year BCom, third year he's studying. So he said, Pawan sir, I will not write BCom third year exams. I'm like, are you kidding me? Are you mad? So when some notification comes, you should understand what is it, no? You should understand who are going to be benefited because of this. So I told you, if you are a student, I'm telling you, there is nothing which is favoring, something that is coming into your favor because of this notification, unless you pass CA final. Honestly, when you pass CA final, are you really worried about BCom MCom? Tell me. When you pass CA final, are you really worried about BCom MCom? I have done both, but I am not excited to be a master of commerce or business administration. I am excited to be a chartered accountant. My excitement levels with CA is also less. That is a different story. Okay, so my dear friends, I am telling you, this notification, yes, it is a milestone. ICI actually did a good job, but as a student, you need not have the pumping in blood vessels or, eyes will turn red with motivation. Not required. Not required. Happily sit in the corner of your room, open your book and start reading. That's it. That's it. Pawan sir, are you serious? Yes. That's all. But again, repeatedly, I'm telling you, this will give a very good opportunity to you for higher studies, for going global, for applying government jobs. In many countries, for PG, maybe more marks they'll give than degree. Previously, if you are applying as a BCom plus chartered accountant, they'll give you only BCom weightage to you. If any country has, say for example, 100 points for BCom, 150 points for MCom. Now, if you are a chartered accountant, if you are migrating to that country, you will get that extra 50 credits. You understand my point? That advantage is there. That is the reason even ICI has clearly given here. For higher studies and for going global, these two are given. This will not only help CS for pursuing higher studies, that means PhD. But it will also facilitate the mobility of Indian chartered accountants globally, means immigration. If you are going for another country or if you are looking for higher studies, this will be useful. But remember, if you are a student who is studying CA at present, nothing is in your favor because this will not only help CAs, chartered accountants, means not to you, Pawan, for pursuing higher studies, and will also facilitate mobility of Indian CAs, not Indian CA students. You understand? So happily continue your BCom, continue your MCom, continue your group 1, continue your group 2, continue the same, the phase of hell you are in, happily enjoy, continue the journey. That's all. Nothing changes. Okay. So if you still have any doubts, type it in the comment section. I'll try to think with my small brain, and if I know the information, I'll come and give a response to you. But don't, even by mistake, I'm telling you, don't stop your BCom, MCom and all these things. Okay, that is stupidity. So please continue your BCom, please continue your MCom. CA is contingent event, but BCom and MCom you'll pass one day, no? Okay. Some people will not complete in 3 years, 4 years you'll complete, no BCom. You cannot complete MCom in 2 years. At least 3-4 years you'll complete MCom. Some certificate will come in hand. That is important. That is actually very important. After becoming CA, if you want to go global, I'll tell you one thing, okay? There are 1,000 ways better than this. For example, CPA Australia, CPA Canada. Okay, and so many global chartered accountancy professions are there where ICAI has a tie-up. So you have beautiful opportunities. So as a student, don't take to, this is another negative side of social media, okay? Everybody is uploading, and one student uploaded his status, sending that status to me and asking, sir, what is this? So shameless guy, you do not know what it is and you have uploaded that in your WhatsApp status. So this is what students are doing. So my dear friends, last sentence, continue your BCom, MCom, don't do any overaction. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again back with some other useful information. Thank you.